Alright, so here are the two new here's the newest one. This one's the older version. As you see, this is just kind of like a test. So basically how this one's gonna work is that I took away the pillars. I think it makes it look a lot cleaner. And this whole glass piece is just gonna be one solid piece that I'm gonna mold, and then it's gonna have electricity going up like that to power this. So this would be the positive and then ground, opposed to the electricity going in here. But yeah, I think this is a lot cleaner than this. And I switched that up a little bit, made those bigger. I don't know if you can see. Switch this. Yeah,